What's up? Welcome back to my channel. So, my name is Shmaine. If it's your first time here, welcome. I do a little bit of beauty, a little bit of lifestyle, a little bit of everything. So if you like all those things, then come hang out with me. Press the subscribe button. Alright, so in today's video, we are going to do a spring glam using the palette I just got. I don't know if this is old, or if it's new, or if it's, I don't know. But the LA Girl Pearl Mastery Eyeshadow Palette. I just thought it was so beautiful. This is currently on sale at Ulta for like $7, I think. Yeah, so, I mean, why not? Woo! Sorry for my hair, guys. I just washed my hair and it's currently drying. So I'm just gonna take this out of my... What the heck is this? So in this video, I will be using pretty much drugstore products, drugstore prices. The only thing I got from Sephora, the Ordinary brand, but it's pretty cheap. I think this thing was like $4. I'm gonna start with Precision Formula 24 karat gold collagen serum. Okay, and then we're gonna put the Ordinary High Adherence Silicone Primer. Adherence and blurring, blah blah blah, blurring. I have not tried this primer. Oh, it's white. I didn't expect that. I expected it to be like clear. Okay, so now that I've primed my face, I'm gonna prime my eyeballs probably with this concealer. This is a Candid Concealer in medium. I just wanted to even out my skin tone a little bit. Now I'm gonna go in with the palette, the star of today's show. Now I'm gonna go in with my finger and I'm gonna use Profesh. Oh, what a pretty color. Woo. Okay, my battery died and now I know it's springtime, but it doesn't mean that we can't have a little bit of smoky eye, you know? You know what I'm saying? I actually really like that. For foundation, I'm gonna use this Candid anti-pollution foundation. It's supposed to be a natural finish. Okay, now we're gonna do our concealer with this Candid. Well, that blended really nicely. Like super nice. I like. Definitely like. Okay, now I'm gonna set my under eyes. I'm gonna use Wet n Wild Photo Focus and Translucent. This is a lot of powder. Alright, now I can finish up my eyes. Just gonna go back into the palette, grab a little bit of, what is this? Fangirl. I'm gonna grab a pencil brush and go into Lovely. Now I'm gonna contour with Milani in Suntan. Okay. now for the face, I'm going to use the Flower Beauty Cream Blush in Pinched. Just going to put that in the back of my hand. Hopefully this shows up on me. I feel like I just want a little bit more blush than that. Like, so I'm going to go again with my Nude Sticks blush. I'm gonna put that on the back of my hand and just dab it with my beauty blender. I mean, my blender full. Okay, it's better. I like a lot of blush. For highlight, I'm going to be using a Pure Nude Sunlighter by Essence. To set my face, I'm going to use my Morphe Continuous Setting Mist because this is affordable, right? For lashes, I'm going to use these Kiss lashes in, what is this called? In 01. I guess that's what it's called. Okay, I don't know. Alright, I'm going to rush and do my lips because it's time to eat. I'm going to go in with Almond Rose by Maybelline. Alright, I am done. Guys, like this look. Thank you guys again so much for watching. My camera's gonna die, so I have to say bye, and I love you really fast. Please don't forget to like and subscribe so I can see you in my next video. Bye guys. How you like my spring? Glam? Look, spring, glam.